Today is day 9 and there's 17 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making strawberry walnut brie bites. First I have 1 wheel of brie I'm going to peel off the rind. Next I'm going to cut the brie into 24 pieces. Next I have 1 sheet of puff pastry. I'm going to cut that into 24 pieces. Next I have a greased mini muffin pan. I'm going to put 1 piece of puff pastry into each muffin. Next I'm going to put a piece of brie cheese into each mini muffin. Next I'm going to put a little bit of strawberry jam on top of each piece of brie. Next I'm going to add a piece of walnut on top of each brie bite, and then I'm going to bake these at 375 for 15 minutes. This is what the strawberry walnut brie bites looked like when they came out of the oven.